Right, welcome back everyone. In my last video I started stripping out all the bits and pieces in the boot because I was going to give it a little bit of a scuff up and just paint it over, but my plans have changed slightly. I will turn the camera around and show you. Right, so it's still not absolutely perfect, but I stripped all that paint off because I could see brush marks and all sorts in it, so I could see it had been hand painted before, which if it was under the carpet at the front then I wouldn't have worried about it too much, but I thought otherwise it would bug me every time I opened the boot. So I have stripped off all of the paint pretty much. I haven't done the wheel arches, to be honest. I've just been over that with some 180. I'm going to epoxy all of this and then give it a coat of green like I did in the engine bay. We'll splash a bit of green over that as well, a bit of top coat over that where I repaired it. Over there where that edge was starting to go. It wasn't bad, but it was starting to go, so I repaired that a while ago actually. I don't know if I filmed that or not, but yeah, I've scuffed it all up at the back in there because that didn't look too bad. Same up in there. Most of it's covered up anyway, but yeah, I thought I'd do it now. Yeah, so let's crack on. Alright, yeah, I'll do all I've got to do, degrease it all now and give it a tack cloth, and then I'll get the gun out and give it a coat of epoxy, wait a bit, then give it some green. Right, so I've got everything degreased, tack rag blown off, all my bits and pieces hanging up. Just got a little bit of epoxy to go on here, which I don't know if you can see, but yeah, got the hinges over there. So yeah, let's get the first coat of epoxy on. Right, so it's been drying for about an hour or so now, so it's nearly ready. It's not quite there yet. I thought it was, but actually it's not. But yeah, there's not too much rubbish in it neither, which is good. It's never going to look mint anyway. It's not going to look perfect, but it's going to massively tidy it up in here. It's going to look a lot better than before. Yeah, and the back of the bonnet doesn't look too bad. That's nearly there. That's all ready to go as well. So I've mixed some paint up. Just last dregs are dropping into the pot there. I've only done 1 cup for now. We'll see how we go. Because I'm not going to be doing quite as much. Because I've got to do both sides of the bonnet. Just doing the inside of the bonnet. But then I've got to do the inside of the tailgate. So I don't know. If I need to mix some more out, I will. But unlike the primer, the epoxy is like a 4-to-1 mix, whereas this paint is only a 2-to-1 mix. So I think actually it works out better because it means the paint will go further, but I've got loads left, so there's going to be plenty to do the whole car, because I was a bit concerned whether there'd be enough with doing the engine bay and inside the boot, whether to do the outside as well, whether there'd be enough for the outside, but I believe there will. Alright, so I'm going to sit about a bit longer. I hate waiting about. Just let this go off a little bit more and then we'll get some green on it. Do a light coat first and then a couple of heavier coats. It's so awkward to get in these gaps though. I don't know how they done it in the factory, but it's a nightmare. There's just no room. But we'll do the best we can. That's all we can do. Alright, back in a sec.